finally, it is time for the 100th subscriber special. Let's get straight into it, guys. I know in the big picture, you guys might be thinking, dude, 100 subs, that's like not even that much. Chill out, what are you doing? Bro, for me, 100 subs is like more than like I thought that I might be able to reasonably get. This is a big milestone for me, and I know it doesn't seem like it is, but it seriously is. And to celebrate, I finally got myself a Slash. I've been excited for one of these bad boys for so long. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I've got right here in front of me the Slash Platinum Edition, the Slash 4x4 Platinum Edition competition 4-wheel drive short course racing truck. It won Truck of the Year in RC Car Action Magazine and Best Innovation in the RC Car Action Magazine Reader's Choice Award. So I'm super excited to have this thing. You guys are probably wondering about the Yeti. The Yeti, I have not sold yet, but I got enough money that I just decided to go ahead and buy this thing because I'm tired of waiting for that stupid thing to sell. My parents also chipped in a little bit, so I'm really thankful for them. Also, because they were proud of me for reaching my goal. It's not my end goal, but it was a goal that I really wanted to make. So thank you guys so much for helping me do this and stuff. I'll have pictures on the Instagram over at Highway 49RC. Highway 49. I don't even remember. I changed it. Highway 49_RC, I believe is what it is. I'll have to look, but and it'll be up on the screen too. So enough talking. Let's take a look at the box here. I've already had a look at it. So we've got in here center differential. We've got upgraded aluminum C-hubs and steering knuckles, upgraded rear hub carriers, aluminum wheel nuts, GTR shocks, front and rear sway bars, a clear body, and BF Goodrich replica tires. Yeah, so this thing is pretty kitted out. The Platinum Edition, if you guys don't know, comes with all those upgrades pre-installed. And the only thing though is that you need a radio and receiver, which I've got a radio. I'm looking into a receiver, trying to find one that'll work. Don't have it quite yet, but I'll update you guys when I get that. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. There we go. Styrofoam. Yep. Let's go. Alright, this is sick. Parts and stuff in here as well. And that's it. Get this box out of here. Alright, there you go. There's the rig. So in here, these are all the parts. If you guys can see, it's really bright. Yeah, you guys can probably see. In here are all the parts that were upgraded. So these are all the stock parts in here that were upgraded with all the aluminum ones that I listed off, as well as all the stickers and decals and all that good stuff for the body and an instruction book. Alright, so let's get a closer look here at the actual truck itself. The suspension, right off the bat, feels pretty good. It actually feels quite nice to me. At least I think it feels pretty good. You know, the body. So the body, I'm not going to paint yet. I have a body kit coming. It's on the way right now for this. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's going to be pretty sweet. I think it'll really give a nice personal touch to my Slash, and I hope that you guys will like it also. I want to do something really special with the body eventually. I want to paint it up. I want to cut the back, do a full roll cage, like actual proper roll cage, so it looks like a full-on race truck. That'd be so amazing. I really hope that I can do that in the future with this body. So I'm gonna keep this guy in pristine condition when I go out to run it later, just for fun myself. I'm not gonna film it, but don't worry, I will film something for you guys on this. When I go run this later, I'm not gonna run it with the body because I don't want to trash this thing. I want to keep this guy really pristine condition so that when I go to paint it, I have a nice, clear, good condition body. So inside here, we've got a TRAXXAS VXLE 35 waterproof Lineon brushless motor and ESC in here. Don't know really how fast this thing's supposed to go. I'll probably end up upgrading this system here in the future to a Castle, because I'm a Castle guy. You know, I'm a big fan of Castle products. That's pretty much all I run. Got the TRAXXAS center drive, which I don't know if this is upgraded. It didn't say that it was, and I don't think that it is. I think that the solid, looks like metal drive shaft here in the center. Might even be plastic with an aluminum outside, but I'm not sure. I think this guy's stock here, but yeah. Got a waterproof receiver box for that receiver when I get it. Whatever kind of receiver you guys want to run. If you guys want to put lights on this thing, you want to scale it up with a winch, you can do all that. Run it right back to this waterproof receiver box, and you'll be all good to go. Got these GTR shocks on here, which are actually super massive. I grabbed some shock caps with this truck, only to find out that they were too small for these GTR shocks, because they're actually they're bigger than the standard big bores. In the back here, you can see back there we've got the upgraded hub carriers, both sides there and over there, and in the front. So back in there we got the aluminum upgraded C-hubs and knuckles. I don't know if they're knuckles. I'm not sure if they're actually called knuckles on these kind of trucks, but that's just what I'm going to call them because that's what I'm used to calling them. So yeah, looks pretty good. It's the four-wheel drive version, as I said before. So we got front and rear drive shafts. It's also got a front diff, which I'm not feeling right now, but I think it was in the bag if I wanted to install it. And also this guy, so I'm holding the back tire here, and that diff is feeling alright. And then the other thing we got going on are the sway bars. Yeah, comes with sway bars. So this guy here, see if I can hold this up for you guys better. These rods there, that like wire stuff, it's actually the sway bar. So see, I'll show you. So what sway bar does is it keeps the tires working, or it keeps the arms working together. So as you can see, as I'm lifting this guy, the other one's going up as well. So I do the same thing here. It keeps the truck more stable and reduces body roll. So that's that's a good feature. It's also got the low CG chassis on it, pre-installed. So if you guys have upgraded, which I think some people, quite a few people like to upgrade to the low CG chassis, puts all your electronics and stuff and battery lower down to the ground, so that you get better clear, or you get better, you get a better center of gravity, so you can corner much better without, you know, having the chance to roll over and stuff like that. So standard TRAXXAS waterproof servo. Not sure what the part number on that is, but we'll probably end up upgrading that to a Savox waterproof, because those are good servos, good price, or good quality for the money. So I hope that you guys have really enjoyed this unboxing of the Slash 4x4 Platinum Edition. I have had a great couple years doing YouTube for you guys. I've been kind of on and off for probably like 2, maybe 3 years now. I hope that's okay with you guys that have been sticking around for longer. times where I get really into it and really out of it. I mean, like anything really, so. But I'm really happy and excited that I can bring this truck for you guys, and you know, not having a job, or not being old enough to even have a job yet, I don't really have a good way of making money, so being able to bring new stuff onto the show is a hard thing to do for me, but I hope that you guys enjoy when I do, and I'll try and get out some more crawl spots and take this thing places and stuff, and maybe I'm looking into getting a GoPro also, so you guys can get some good onboard footage of both the Slash and of you know, my comp crawler, which will be really sweet to see. You know, going up all sorts of crazy lines. So anyway, enough of my rambling. Thank you guys so much for making 100 subs. I know right now it's like 103, and thank you guys so much for all the support through this. Like I said, it might not seem big to you guys, but it's big for me. So enough of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, get notified of new videos of the Slash Platinum going outside. And be sure to follow highway49_RC on Instagram. You guys will get pictures of this thing, pictures of other stuff that I'm working on, and also some behind the scenes pictures as well. So be sure to follow me over there on the Instagram, and we'll have a great time together. So thanks for sticking with me, and I hope you guys stick with me for further, I don't know, advancements, developments, further growing of this channel. So anyway, thank you guys so much again for watching and for 100 subs, and I'll see you later.